Hello everyone, this is John Sundaraj from SloopStash. In this video, we will be demystifying the DevOps profession using the wall diagrams theory. The wall diagrams theory is a brand new concept that we have formulated to make people clearly understand what DevOps profession is all about and what are all the key roles of a DevOps engineer in an organization or a company. The main reason why we formulated this wall diagram theory is that most of the time people go to the internet and surf the internet they get lots of misleading informations and totally get confused. So that is the reason why we formulated this wall diagram theory. So please watch this video till the end without skipping to properly demystify the DevOps profession using the wall diagrams theory. Now let's try to demystify the DevOps profession using the wall diagrams theory. What we are seeing here is a picture of a simple brick wall where these are all the bricks and this is the cement. A cement is an integral part of the brick wall and the main purpose of cement is to glue each and every single brick together. So that is the main purpose of cement. Now, when you talk about this brick wall, the main components of this brick wall are two important components. One is the brick and one is the cement. Now, let's try to compare this brick wall with organization. What is an organization? An organization is a structure which is composed of multiple teams. That is what is a clear-cut definition of an organization. Each and every team will perform separate tasks. So that depends upon the team. If it is correct to compare wall with the organization, it is also correct to compare bricks with the teams. So basically comparing the components of the wall with the components of the organization. Here, what is the components of organization? Teams are the components of the organization. Now let's try to list down the important teams available in the organization. First, it is the software development team. That is also called as dev team, and there will be a quality analysis team, and there will be a performance engineering team, and there will be an SRE team, and there will be a NOC team. You can also see a data engineering team, and you can see a support team. You can also see a security team, and then you can see a release team, and you can also see an infra ops team. So basically an organization is composed of multiple teams like this. I'm not saying these are all the only teams. There are many more other technical teams available in an organization, but we cannot list down everything here. Now let's try to understand the key job or role of each and every single team. For example, let's take software development team. The key job of software development team is to develop the source code, that is coding. And when you talk about quality analysis team, the key role of quality analysis team is to test the software or product. When you talk about performance engineering team, the important task of a performance engineering team is to improve the performance of each and every component in the production. When you discuss about NOC team, the main task of NOC team is to set monitoring dashboards and to generate alerts and all that, to monitor all the components in the production. When you talk about data engineering team, it is responsible of performing analytics, and it is responsible for AI or ML stuff in the company. When you talk about infrastructure team, mostly it is responsible for managing the deployments of their software into the production. So these are all the key roles played by each and every single team. When you discuss about support, they will be interacting with the customers. When you talk about SRE, they will be mostly talking about the reliability of their services on the production. When you talk about release, security, each and every single team has its own task to be performed in their day-to-day life basis. So far, we have learned how to compare the wall with the organization, and we have also learned how to compare the bricks with the teams. We have also seen what are all the possible teams available in the organization, and we have seen the tasks or roles of each and every single team. Now it's time to learn where the DevOps team or DevOps role fits into the organization. To understand it, let me first try to compare the DevOps team with the cement in this wall diagram. So, what is the very important purpose of the cement? The cement plays an integral part of the wall diagram, and it is also used to glue both the bricks together. This is the exact purpose of DevOps team in an organization. Let me give the clear-cut understanding of the DevOps role. The DevOps team is going to play a cementing role between the multiple teams of the organization. Basically, that is why I say DevOps is a collaborative work mode. It's not a single team oriented, it is a multi team oriented, and because of this nature of work, it is a multi skill oriented job profile. We cannot say DevOps is a single skill oriented job profile. It is a multi skill oriented job profile. Sometimes you may be working with the SRE team, sometimes you may be working with the performance engineering team, sometimes you may be working with the NOC team and support team, sometimes you may be working with the data engineering team. You may be doing their tasks as well. So we cannot restrict ourselves to a single skill set. So this is a multi-skill oriented job. So that is why we need to have the mindset for that. So DevOps is what the clear-cut definition of DevOps is all about, and that is the reason why I said it is a cementing role, and I compared it with the cement in the wall diagram. Now let's try to summarize the wall diagram theory. Now here, what is the wall? The wall is the organization. The bricks are the teams. The cement is the DevOps team. If you look into this wall diagram, this is the very simple way to understand the DevOps profession. If you go to the internet, there are lots of misleading information available, but if you follow this wall diagrams theory, you will be having a very clear-cut understanding on what DevOps role is all about and what are all the key aspects of a DevOps role in your organization. I believe this video is very much useful to you and much more informative as well. If you really feel the same, feel free to share this video with your friends and colleagues. If you have any questions, doubts or queries, please put a comment in the comment thread so that we will try to answer your questions as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Bye bye for now.